Nah. Nevertheless. So, on a serious note, so you have awareness, you have awakening, you have enlightenment. Then what is realization? What is self-realization? You know, what is higher consciousness? What is awareness? What is the disparity between awareness and awakening? What are you becoming aware to? What are you becoming awakening to? What are you becoming enlightened to? What is enlightenment? What is enlighten? What is enlighten? What does that mean? What does a wake mean? What does a mean? What does a where mean? What does a in where mean? Now this is where we get into the linguistic aspect of consciousness, the linguistic aspect of awareness, the linguistic aspect of awakening, excuse me, the linguistics aspect of enlightenment, right? And all of this phenomena is conducive to one fundamental metaphysical and phenomenological phenomena in reality, and that is what we call coincidences.